Salute, and I do welcome for Point Pidgin. After match talk, how you say, I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Chelsea Kondo and Liverpool Kondo, and we get Oga Ose. We be like, now we're going to get Chelsea for our main tell us about how you see this game. Oga Ose, now how you see your team performance today? Because in the first match the team they play after that news, Bossa today don't sack Graham Potter. Sorry, how you see your team performance today?
Even Potter now, anywhere it is safe. You go dey like one of these same players where you get now they play like this. You go dey surprised with the performance. The performance to me not bad. Although some bad egg want to come out. This guy is select the put. Number one like Havertz. This Havertz for this full game, so they are one of the get one of the poorest performance. Every other thing they okay. Then I think just with time we need to bring Aubameyang and this guy Fofana back to the starting level. No look for me have ourselves serious. Then I think Mount need to come back. Mount don dey bench for long now. We could all understand say yes. Say other the team fit do without am now. So I believe if Mount come back, Mount go play well this time around to come back. So that's what I say to do. But a nice game.
So they don't talk about some managers who they link with the Chelsea job. We don't hear Julian Nagelsmann, the former Bayern Munich manager. We still hear some other names when they call. But according to the story then when they come out, Chelsea they in contact with Julian Nagelsmann. To you as a Chelsea fan, you think say it go be good appointment as Chelsea manager?
You see, one of the people we dey get from the latter days of Abramovich, when we dey honest, we dey want to attract good football. We dey want play good football. And since Chelsea dey get them good football, that way they struggle they come. Since 2017 win the glass, the idea of good football manager from Sarri to Frank Lampard to Thomas Tuchel now to Graham Potter, then we one side. We never fit winning again. But when we dey get our normal Agbero football coaches like Conte, like Mourinho, Ancelotti, we dey win league now. So since they say they wan build team at the top four, we also keep more find coach wey dey keep us top four till we fit build that team where like team wey Man still don get. But if we dey find immediate success, none of those coaches on the list where me feel say fit get immediate success. Look at our coach wey say you go give them time. Yes, like wey we wan give Potter before. As me Potter still dey try, say like 5th or 6th or even 4th today, they for not sack am now. Who be like 7th, they for not sack am. But Potter want me say the decline dey more and more every single game. So for me, they give Nagelsmann. If you fit try keep up for top 4, you dey get patience with am. So farmer wey collect either this season Carling Cup, FA Cup, till you go get a team wey you want. But if na the normal typical Chelsea football time of Abramovich, we want trophy. Me, I no even say any list for them. But Luis Enrique say I not trust am. Pochettino I not trust am. People like them Mourinho, people like them Conte, and there's a big Chelsea football. That's time Chelsea be Chelsea. That's why they fear Chelsea. Not they score many, but one goal we don't win. So that's what they win our match that time.
So now where Potter don't go now, where you fit to predict say Chelsea go finish by the end of the season?
Well, they top 10 normal. It be 9, it be 10, but not top 10. But I don't know which position because I don't see team like Brighton or Fulham just losing that. Now 9 games remaining now. So I don't see they will just drop because they're below Chelsea. I 8, 9, 10. I think we just do. But we'll leave that second table. Go the up.
So Chelsea next game now, like against Wolves for Saturday. What will be your prediction for that game?
We'll win Wolves now. 2-0. 2-0 for US now.
All right, now, Oga Ose, thank you for your time.